1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10. I have 4 ones. I have 4 ones, right? How many ones do I have? 4. So can you give me a large card of 4? So come here. How many tens do I have? Shall we count?
1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens.
7 tens. Can you give me a large card of 7 tens? Okay. So how many hundreds do I have?
100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600.
So can you give me a large card of 600? And how many thousands do I have?
1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000.
6000. So I need a large card of 6000. बड़े वाले बॉक्स में से आप ले लो. अब आपके पास ये 9000. दिस वन नहीं हाँ दिस वन इसमें आपके पास पूरे 1 to 9000 हैं. तो मीन्स आप लोग up to 9000 you can work.
9.
आप अरेंज कर देना up to 9000 ना उसमें अरेंज कर देना.
6.
आप जब तक ना आप उसे अरेंज कर दो 1000 के बाद 2000 right? So means this is this much of quantity I have. So if I add all small numbers all together, we put all the quantities together, we will get that much of big quantity and big number. My answer. So this is my static addition. No carry forward. अभी हमने carry forward नहीं किया. Carry forward will come in the